Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I have a quick kitchen tip for you. This is a product that you can buy on Amazon. It is a automatic soap dispenser. So this is the box it comes in, pretty straightforward. And then this is the product itself. So what's the advantage of, and why is this a tip of having this for your kitchen? The kitchen is a place where when you're cooking, you get your hands messy, and there's times that you just don't want to transfer those bacteria, especially like if you're cooking with chicken. There's a possibility of salmonella exposure and all that. So an automatic soap dispenser makes complete sense. You can set it on your kitchen counter without touching anything. It puts the soap in your hands and you're good to go. In the past, these were a lot more expensive, but as technology's advanced, the automatic features are easy to put in products. So this product in particularly is a Tesecu. It's a nice, small, elegant looking soap dispenser. Give you an idea, but it holds a lot of soap. So on the bottom here is a screw for 4 AAA batteries. And then there is a power button to turn it on and off. On the top here, this little lid pulls back, and then there's this little pouch here that you pop open, and then you can fill the reservoir with soap. Pretty straightforward operating and easy of use. On the front here, you can see there's a little view window that kind of lets you know when your soap's getting low. And then on the bottom, this is the motion sensor that also has a light that lights blue, letting you know it works. So it's as simple as that. You just stick your hand under there, and then you get the soap, and you're good to go. So it's, like I said, it's a great product. Every kitchen should have one. They're not very expensive. So upgrade your soap dispenser today. If you have any questions, feel free to hit the comments below. I do respond to them, and of course I'll include a link on how to buy this or where you should pick it up. And that's basically it. Until the next tip and review, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.